crack, crack, crack every time you bend your knee? Yeah, we all have heard it. But why does it sound like your joints are starring in a horror movie? That sound is called crepitus. It happens when air bubbles pop or your cartilage wears down. Totally normal. Until it isn't. If it's painless, no big deal. But if there is swelling, stiffness or pain, that's your knee saying it needs backup. Stretch it, strengthen it, try physio, low-impact workouts, or even talk to a dog. Crackles are not cute forever. Listen to your body. Move smart. Stay strong.